Hello friends, how are you? How are you all? I hope everybody is well and I am also good. And I am MD Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Tuesday, 13 July. Now afternoon. So this Tuesday afternoon, I stood in a garden. You can see behind my back a tea's garden. Here is a many type of tree, big tree, small tree, many type of green tree, green place. Friends, now I walk at this garden and I see here is some polluted garbage. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. So friends, let's go cleaning now start. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে মঙ্গলবার বিকালে এসেছিলাম বাগানে আমি হাঁটার সময় বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। আবর্জনাগুলো সংগ্রহের মুহূর্ত আপনাদের দেখাবো। লেটস গো। Friends, I walked here and I saw one plastic bottle here. This plastic is very bad for our nature, our environment. So I collected this plastic bottle. I saw here is another garbage. So now I collected this garbage. Is a cigarette butt, a cigarette packed, unused cigarette packed. This packet, another plastic here, another here is a cigarette butt, this cigarette butt, plastic etc. এগুলো আমি সংগ্রহ করতেছি এখান থেকে, যারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। Stop this garbage and collected another garbage. Let's go. Chips packet here, cigarette butt here, cigarette butt, another unused product. It is a dangerous. This place is a beautiful place, green place. I collected this plastic cigarette butt from here, another cigarette butt here, another cigarette butt. This very bad for our nature, our environment. So I collected this polluted product. Friends, my cleaning mission finished. Here is a many polluted garbage, plastic bag, plastic bottle, cigarette butts, etc. I collected this garbage from garden. Friends, and a bag in my hand. This all garbage threw in this bag. Let's go. Friends, complete all garbage threw in this bag. This bag in my hand. This garbage bag. Now stop this bag. Friends, this bag, stop this bag. Now this bag threw in the dustbin. Let's go. Friends, this is a used dustbin. This dust bag threw in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend. And this was my nature cleaning mission in today's afternoon.